Hey, what's happening, Pyromaniacs? Hillbilly Pyro up here on the mountain. Had to get out and move around a little bit today. Force myself to get out of the house, do a little something. Might make me feel a little better. Blowing shit up always makes a person feel better. So we have the phage for a little lido cake. And then we got chemical imbalance. And then we have a 12-shot rack. First 2 shots are fake canister, fake ball shells. Then we got 3 golden dragons, and then the other 6 will be pink flamingo bomb shells. And we're gonna set all this off with my new little toy here, my laser. Alright, so bear with me for just a second. We'll spark off this lido cake here. We turn the light out so it looks good and cool. Good and cool. It'd work better if I could hold still. Damn. Wow. Went straight into the rack. How you like that? Woo, that was cool. Yeah, man, the fallout from that cake set that rack up. I didn't like the rack. Nut, it went up on its own. Yeah, it was out of order too. Still, all good stuff. I was like, man, that cake started hitting awful hard. I was like, damn, that cake's awesome. And I was like, no, something's wrong here. All right, let's light this other 200. Must have touched it just right. We were just talking about how fallout can do that. Cool. Alright, boys and girls, pyros out there, just remember, accidents can't happen. Be careful. This stuff don't always go as planned, that's for damn sure. Hope you guys have an excellent weekend. I'm going to make sure nothing's smoldering up here, and I'm going back in the house because it is freaking cold. So, Hillbilly Pyro out.